Hari Om. Begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of distinction between field and its knower. Chapter 13, Shloka number 24. He who thus knows the Purusha and Prakriti together with the qualities in whatsoever condition he may be, he is not born again. य एवं वेत्ति पुरुषं प्रकृतिं च गुणैः सह सर्वथा वर्तमानोऽपि न स भूयोऽभिजायते. Chapter 13, Shloka number 24. How does the one who knows the higher self, uncontaminated by the field, react in life? The identification of Purusha, the knower of the field, is the cause of all our sufferings. If there is no contact with the field, then the Purusha will be just an observer of the field and be saved from all the miseries. But the infinite plays the part of the miserable individual because of its delusory imagination that it is conditioned by the mental and intellectual reactions. This delusion, because of more vasanas, never gets redeemed and causes the Purusha to be born again and again. Four things are necessary to come out of this delusion and become a man of wisdom. Correct understanding of A. What is matter? B. That which is the spirit. C. How the spirit, deluded by its own preoccupations, gets identified with matter and behaves as knower of the field. And also D. The mysteries of the gunas, under the influence of which the equipments function. If the individual can stand apart from the situation and observe it from a distance, he will see separately the world of objects, the instruments of contact, their behavior and qualities, and also realize the spirit, the substratum. Ignorance of our absolute infinite pure consciousness is the cause of misconceptions and identification with the field of matter. Our vasanas keep us bound. When the vasanas are removed, the knower of the field understands that it exists only as long as the body exists, and thereafter it itself becomes the infinite. Learn more in the next shloka in the next video. To understand Gita, join Chinmaya Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmaya Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjod Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.